Hi, today in front of me UleFone Armor 17 Pro, and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So to do that, we should first open the settings and tap to Wi-Fi section. Just to activate Wi-Fi, click once on the Wi-Fi switcher, and after that you'll see here all of the available networks. Just to select one from this network, just to connect to the Wi-Fi, we should select one from these available networks. So enter the password here, and if you want to see this password, you should click to the show password checkbox. So after that, just tap to connect. Wait a second. So we can see now that we're just successfully connected to this network. By the same way, you can use more networks here. Just select them, enter the password, tap to connect. Here inside network section, you will see all of the networks which you just connected before. So to turn off the Wi-Fi, to turn it on or turn it off, you should use this switcher. And also we got one more way how we can do that. So first open the control panel and you'll see here Wi-Fi icon. Just click on this icon to activate or turn off the Wi-Fi, and to launch Wi-Fi settings, hold for a while this icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.